आज हम आप लोगों को इंग्लिश पढ़ाएंगे क्लास 4th की। लेसन 6 है और लेसन का नाम है द क्रॉप ऑफ द पियर्स। क्रॉप माने फसल होता है, पियर्स माने क्या होते हैं, मोतियाँ होती हैं। देखिए कल कुछ हमने पढ़ाया था 3-4 पैराग्राफ, आज उसके आगे हम पढ़ाएंगे आप लोगों को। देखिए ध्यान से आप लोग सुनिएगा। द फार्मर रिप्लाइड, यू कैन अफोर्ड टू टेक लाइक दैट, you rich people with your horses and the carriage do not know the poverty entails. I have become so poor that I had no skill. My oxen might make end meets, but a farmer must till his land of earn a living. So I have asked my wife to do the job of the bullock. She is not a complaining. The answer did not satisfy by the king. He had the firmly, I will not tolerate this. Whatever you may say, it is most human to use a woman in this way. I will give the enough money to buy a bullock, but you must immediately release the lady. It was now a farmer turn to be angry. Who are you ordered me about? He asked certainly. Why should not I accept your money? I am not a beggar. The king that spoke gently, please unyoke my sister. The farmer laughed derisively. If you feel sorry for your so-called sister, why do not have take her place? If you are willing to do, I shall immediately release the lady. The king at the one agreed that the farmer had no alternative but unyoke his wife was the yoke king of the plowing. The king started to draw the plug, thought the field, but he was not used to manual labor, and so part of their lands was badly plugged. When the crop arrived, the farmer found that the part of the field yielded poor and the small ear of the corn. So the farmer was turned for his wife angrily. See that you so-called the brother did, he did not work with all the strength. The result is that the ear of the corn for the undeveloped. But when they cut the harvest, they found that the small cups contained pillars instead for the seeds. You are the hasty, impudent, the curse, my brothers. Look at the rich crop of his given us, a crop of pears. The farmer wife exclaimed with the delighted. Her husband was full of the remorse. The brothers has the performed magic. He must have the supernatural powers, but I do not think we can claim these pillars. They belong to the man who was created them. We must return from there the lightful honor. How can you do that? You have even asked him his name. His wife replied. So ये लेसन अभी बहुत बड़ा है, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। और जो कुछ अभी इस लेसन में लगभग 2 से 3 दिन लगेगा पढ़ने में, उसके बाद हम आप लोगों को इसका PDF फाइल बना करके भेज देंगे। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू।